duck blind on the boat. So we'll see how it goes. Heading out to get set up right now. Okay, so I'm all set up. I got like a dozen mailer decoys out. I got 4 on a jerk line spinner. And I'm tucked up here, right up against all these cattails. And I think you're gonna do all right here. I'm covered up. I'm gonna see how this blind does. I think it's gonna do good. A little tight. It's a small boat, so we'll see. What do you think, Remy? Huh? What do you think? All right, we're hot in about 30 seconds. So. And again, the weatherman lied. It's supposed to be a 10-mile-an-hour northwest wind. And I think it's like a -5. Well, good thing I brought my motion ducks. My spreader. Remy! Remy! All right, one down. Good girl. Come on. Good girl. Come on. Pee break. Come on. Good girl. Oh. Here. Here. Come on. Here. Here. Drop. Place. 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 No. Place. Good. Place. No. Place. Place. Good. Get up. Place. 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 Good girl. Place. Okay. First green of the morning. Place. Oh, the blind is working quite nice. A little cramped, but it is what it is. It's a small boat, right? She's usually down sitting, but it's kind of slow right now, so I got her up. Stretching out, let her move around. This is where I used on it, on the blind there. But that was because I would have to park way down there, unload everything. This is a lot easier. You can hide a lot better too. Right, look at this. It's just glass. Crazy. 10-mile-an-hour northwest wind. Good girl. Well, I wasn't going to shoot any mergs, but the dog looked like she was getting bored, so there we go. Give it a few more minutes and take the kids out trick-or-treating to a couple places today. We got it downtown, all the stores are doing it, and then we got a church that's doing trunk or treat or something like that at 3 o'clock. So 9:15, give it a little bit, maybe to 9:30, see what happens. Starting to get a little breeze now. Just can't believe the lack of birds. Pretty incredible. Okay, good morning. Sunday morning, and I'm out here waist deep in this nasty beaver flooded bouncy bottom Duck Haven. So pretty much zero wind again, and I don't know, we'll see. We got about 8 minutes till shooting light. I just got my spinner set up about, oh, we got ducks flying right now. Got my spinner about 15 yards in front of me here. Got a half dozen mallard decoys just spread out in this water out here, so we'll see. See you. 30 seconds and we're hot. Five seconds. Remy. Okay, Woody down. Sit, sit, sit. Remy. Here, here. Drop.